Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa Galatians chapter 5 verse 22. Dito po mga kapatid ay binanggit yung iba't ibang fruit of the Spirit, no? Pero isang fruit of the Spirit lang ang gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo sa araw na ito. The fruit of the Spirit is, love. Babangitin ko itong isa, long suffering. My topic for this morning is the power of patience. Meron pong kapangyarihan ang patience mga kapatid, no? Minsan pag nasa traffic jam tayo, hindi natin kaya nun. Minsan nauubusan tayo ng pasyensya, nauubusan tayo mga kapatid ng yung sarili natin umiinit na, no? Halimbawa nakapila ka, gusto mo magmadali. Sometimes we are focusing too much on our own agendas, not thinking that there are people also who was more important than our agendas. Remember this, that God is so patient with us, no? Paano siya naging patient sa atin? Remember this, ilang bisis tayo nadapa, ilang bisis tayo nagkamali, ilang bisis tayo nagkasala sa Kanya. Ngunit binibigyan niya pa rin tayo ng pagkakataon. At pag humihingi tayo ng tawad, pinapatawad niya pa rin tayo. He is so patient with us. But how about us? Are we patient to other people? Patience gives us the privilege of sharing the refreshing fruit of God with others. If we want that God will be seen in us, then, kung gusto natin makita nila ang Diyos sa atin, then ang gagawin natin is, ipakita natin yung pagpapasensya, no? Kung ano man ang nagawa nila. Be patient. Last thought po, be patient. Show your world that God is what God is really like. When we show the world what God is really like, they will praise God and say, that is the image of God. So I hope that we will live this life being patient. No? Huwag magmadali. Dahan-dahan lang sa buhay. Be patient. Enjoy life today. God bless po at magandang umaga.